Welcome to Jack to Jeep. Today we are getting our gears redone on the Rubicon. I'm going from 410 to 488s. Called Bob, the owner of TNT Customs and Advanced Automotive, and he gave me the opportunity and the permission to film today. So because of the coronavirus, there's no school, so I guess I'm going to be filming a little bit today and see what all we can learn.
They always look like that.
So what is that?
A little bit of metal.
Metal.
You'll be alright.
No, it's clean. No chunks. It's always good. Right? It's always a good thing. No chunks.
Let's see how big these are.
28.
28. Damn.
You can see these Rubicon shafts are tapered.
You can see it right here. Yeah.
So the neck that's not in the way, the front it goes straight through it. You got to put the sensor in then the gears.
Yep. Take your first baby.
I know.
I mean, it's been a couple weeks, but sometimes you usually put Q2 over these things. So you can just have to straighten it out a little bit. Those aren't too bad. No, hey, sometimes I got a hammer on it, man. That one wasn't bad. Sometimes.
So is that being replaced too?
What's that?
Is that being replaced too or no?
Yeah, this bearing replaced, brand new bearing, brand new pinion, all that good stuff.
get your spacer shim set, you don't have to worry about it anymore. It eliminates that whole crush sleeve itself. So then if you ever need to reseal the pinion yoke or any of that stuff, you can just pull it right off and hammer it back on, and you don't have to worry about it.
Cool. So is this a little secret that people do, or?
Well, you're supposed to heat them up. Some people put them in the oven. Some people, and I hate, like, even some instructions, they'll tell you to press it on with the press or suck it in by the bolts, which is the last thing you want to do. So this is the way we prefer to do it. Like butter. But normally that wouldn't drop on there.
And because you heated it.
I heated it, it expanded, and now it goes on right nice like.
That's crazy.
You only need a couple thousandths. If you let this cool off all the way and pull all the ring gear bolts off, turn it upside down, you gotta beat it off with a hammer.
So it expands that much.
Probably about 10 thousandths, maybe a little more. As long as I don't let go of my chisel, you're gonna be good. Okay. More noises. Minutes.
You gotta get all the coronavirus out of there.
Right?
Wedge underneath of there, and then it'll allow you to pull it up. I just need to see what the spacer is in there.
Okay. Hold on. Check. There we go. Okay. Hold on. Check it. Okay. 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 Hold on. You lied to me!
I didn't lie to you.
You said you were done.
No.
Oh. That's right, I just wasn't paying attention to anything you were saying. Well, right now, I'm just trying to see how our pinion depth is. That's why we're using setup bearings that come on and off. And so, a lot of times you can get lucky and take the factory shims and flip them side to side when you're doing a gear change to this ratio. So that's what I'm gonna go for and see if that works. Then we'll check backlash and see what our pattern looks like. And then once we get that all good, then we rip it all back apart and put the actual bearings on, do a final assembly, then check it one more time to make sure nothing got wonky while we were doing that. And hopefully it doesn't have to come back apart after that.
And then once it's all put together and I'm driving it, then what am I looking at? Like,
well, at that point you're just driving it and making sure you don't hear any weird noises, you know, any growling, groaning on decel or stuff like that. So short of pulling it apart and actually inspecting the pattern again. So it's really just at that point, like when we go do our break-in cycles on it, we'll listen for all that good stuff to make sure nothing weird's happening.
and going up, what, quite a bit in gears. Will that?
Yeah, a little bit. It's kind of a happy place for if you ever want to go to 37s, you know.
Will it give you more torque off the line? Or will it?
It's gonna help you cruise a little better at freeway speed.
Okay. Which I don't have bad right now, but what about gas mileage?
Gas mileage will get you closer back to what your factory gas mileage was before you went up in tire size.
Oh, really? Okay.
That's pretty much why you're changing the gears that you get as close back to factory as you can get.
Right now I'm getting about 16, so. What's this little handy book?
So this little book has all our torque specs
Okay.
for bearing preload, what you're looking for, because you got backlash, which is this right here, the plate in between the ring gear and the pinion gear. So that gives you this spec for your backlash. So we got Dana 44, we're looking for 6 to 10. Bearing preload is actually what we're going to set when we install the pinion. And so then just a little log of all the adjustments that I make trying to get to where I'm going.
Okay, cool.
How much backlash I have. So right now I'm showing about 15 thousandths and I want 6 to 10.
Okay.
So, which means I got to move the entire ring gear a little bit that way. And we bust out what we affectionately refer to as the housing spreader.
Now what does this do?
It actually literally spreads your housing apart.
Really?
Yeah. So I'm gonna put this guy in here, and we will tighten these out. Once I get it all bolted down, I'll actually tighten both these. It'll actually open this up a little bit.
Wow. That's crazy.
Yeah.
What's this?
So this is just pattern paint. So this is, I'll be able to tell how the pinion and the ring gear mesh together.
Okay.
Well, you can really see it right here. We don't want to be buried too deep where the paint would be touching in the bottom.
Okay.
And we want that little line there on the top. This one's a little bit on the inside of the gear there. You got your face, your drive, your coast. You got your heel, which is the outer edge, your toe, which is the inner edge. Ideally, perfect pattern is just centered in both the teeth.
Okay.
Okay, but there's, these are all kind of acceptable patterns. So right now I'd say we were probably looking at a little bit of here in this general vicinity.
For the back side too, okay.
Okay, yep. Cool, thank you. That's as far as that one's going. It's moving a little bit.
All right, guys, just got the gears done yesterday. I'm in the break-in period for the first 500 miles. This is my last little test run. I've done everything that Sean from TNT advised me to do. So what I'm doing now is I'm getting on the interstate. I'm actually going to take off and see how it performs there. I'm not going to tell you how my gas mileage is doing because I reset it. I have 500 miles to set it in, and then I'm going to go back into TNT and drain it, get all that crap out, put new oil in there, and see what all it looks like, and that's when I'll give you guys that update on that. But as of right now, I am pulling onto the interstate, watching my RPMs. Before I had no problem going 75, 85 miles an hour because I have this flash chip in it. You can smell it a little bit. Yeah, I'm going about 85 miles an hour. It just downshifted, and I'm at, I don't know, 2,700 RPMs. I don't know if my speedometer's correct though. I gotta check that. In the meantime, it feels good. Okay, I'm going, let me get to 80 miles per hour right there. 78. Still a little off on my speedometer. I'm 79, this says I'm 78. So I'm about 1 mile per hour off. So I had to adjust my tire size in my flashback, and I went from a tire size of 35 to a 33.75 to get it that close. I could probably go down to a 35 and a, I'm sorry, a 33 and a half, and it would probably be spot on with my speedometer. Well, this is good. I don't mind being a little under, as long as I'm not over, I'm good. It feels like I have a little bit more bite, a little bit more spark in it, a little bit more go, compared to before when it felt like, you know, going off the line, it was more like mud. It felt like it took a second to get going. So with that being said, at 500 miles, I'll take it in, I'll get the diff oil changed, let you guys see what that looks like, and then at that time, I'm going to give you guys an updated miles per hour on this. I won't reset it again. I'm just going to let it go up to 500 miles. Before, when I reset it, it was at 16.1 miles per hour. So we'll see what it looks like in 500 miles and see how it changes. In the meantime, click subscribe, hit the bell to be notified. Thank you again for watching Jack to Jeep. Leave it better than you found it, and make sure you're exploring beyond. Thank you again.